Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest and greatest in beauty products. Have you ever wondered how to achieve that effortless, sculpted look without spending hours in front of the mirror? Well, today we're diving into a product that promises to do just that, the Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour. This contour product is designed to give you that natural, radiant sculpt we all crave, without looking heavy or cakey. It comes in a convenient tube, making it easy to apply and blend, and it's especially formulated to suit light to light medium skin tones with a cool bronze shade that mimics natural shadows. Let's take a closer look at the features. The Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour boasts a medium coverage that's buildable, which gives you the flexibility to control how intense you want your contour to be. Its natural finish means it won't leave you looking overly matte or greasy, just a soft, blended effect that enhances your features. It's also lightweight, so you don't have to worry about feeling like you're wearing a mask. Now, how does it feel in real life? Honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. The product glides on smoothly, almost like a gel cream hybrid, making it easy to apply to the hollows of your cheeks, jawline, or even your nose. It's effortless to blend out, no streaks, no patchiness. I tried it both with a brush and a beauty sponge, and it worked wonderfully both ways. But here's a pro tip. Blend while the product is still a bit tacky to avoid any streaks. In terms of wearability, I tested it during my usual daily activities, from a morning meeting to running errands, and it held up beautifully. The contour didn't fade throughout the day, and it remained fresh, giving my face a subtle yet defined look. It definitely passed the real-world test. Pros? The blendability is incredible. I love how seamlessly it melts into the skin, providing a soft, sculpted look. The formula is lightweight and breathable, so it won't feel heavy on the skin. Plus, it's a one-step contour, which saves time for busy mornings. On the flip side, one con would be the shade range. While it works beautifully for light to light medium skin tones, those with deeper skin tones might find it a bit too light. Tarte, if you're listening, a few deeper shades would really make this product accessible for everyone. When it comes to value for money, the price point is a little on the higher side, but for the quality and performance you're getting, it's definitely worth it. The formula is well thought out, and you're paying for something that will give you a flawless contour every time. Comparing this to other similar contour products, Tarte has really nailed the natural finish with this one. Many other cream contours can feel too matte or dry, but this one has that perfect balance of creamy yet set. It's a bit of a splurge, but if you're looking for a high-quality contour that's easy to use, it's definitely worth considering. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The tube is sturdy and gives you great control over how much product you use, which helps minimize waste. Plus, it's compact enough for travel. I love that. I haven't had to reach out to Tarte's customer service, but they've generally got a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful, which is always a good sign. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, the Maybelline Fit Me Contour Stick is a great option. It gives you a similar creamy, blendable texture, though it may not have the same long-lasting power as Tarte's version. So, final thoughts? The Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour is a fantastic product for those who want to sculpt their features with ease, giving you a natural-looking contour with minimal effort. The medium coverage, buildable formula, and natural finish make it a great choice for everyday wear. However, if you have deeper skin tones, this shade may not be dark enough for you, so keep that in mind. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used the Tarte Sculpt Tape Contour, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.